with a smiling big 2-year-old. That right there is Loretta Beeson. Loretta, if I had hair like you, that's exactly how I would do it as well. She's celebrating in Sheldon, Missouri, and Loretta, I want you to know, this note comes with love from Grandma.
Loving the dude, Loretta. Happy birthday. It's Cooper Miller's second birthday, too.
Whoa, hey!
And he's dressed to the nines.
Can we get some, you and I need some fashion tips right here.
If we should wear bow ties on Mondays.
That's a sharp look. I'm coming back with one at noon.
Do you have two?
I might. We'll see.
Oh boy. Well,
join us at noon.
That's a reason to do it.
Jesse and I are going to pull a Cooper Miller impersonation at noon.
I love it. No, that's happy birthday, Cooper. You're crushing it, man. Keep it up.
I don't have a vest though. I'm going to have to just do it with a suit.
I'm going to borrow Cooper's.
No, you will not fit into the vest. Oakland Johnson celebrating a 4th birthday. That's a killer smile right there, Oakland. Happy birthday in Oswego.
Happy birthday, Oakland. Happy birthday to Caitlin Ford, turning 10 in Chanute. Caitlin.
I love these smiles everybody's busting out.
Lovely smile,
great.
Hitting double digits with the bang.
Wonderful. Oh, we got teenagers. We've got teenagers. And we're going to start with Cooper Newby. Hey, you had that story earlier about the Penguins.
Cooper Newby, he's all about seeing the
Cooper,
Penguins, man.
He's all about that action.
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday to Coop in Oswego.
Happy birthday, Cooper. Go Pens. Sadie Fox, turning 13 in Girard. And as a matter of fact, Michael, I want to clarify, Sadie's birthday was actually on Friday, but we're going to just we're going to make a week out of it.
You know what that is? That's the little Colgan Panther pride right there.
Yeah?
That's it.
Happy birthday, Sadie.
Spencer Wade, he is 14. I tell you what, we cannot get a better list of smiles that we got going this morning.
Yeah, we're on a roll right now.
Happy birthday, Spencer. He's in Pittsburgh, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Allie, Mima, Papa, and the matriarch. Great Mima.
Great Mima. That's the title. I love that title. That's fantastic.
That's great.
Mac, what you got for us?
Oh! Jesse and I know that trick too, Mac.
License.
We know that
trick. Mac, that is a heck of a catch there, man, as you turn 15 in Iola.
Yeah, I had a way to hold that thing toward the camera.
Keep angling, my friend. Happy birthday.
Yeah, our good friend Rick taught us that one, didn't he?
He did indeed.
Ainsley Norton, she is celebrating her 15th birthday. Smiles, smiles, and more smiles. I absolutely love it. You guys are brightening up my Monday. Happy birthday to Ainsley and Gerard.
Emily Wilson turning sweet 16 in Carthage.
Just keep coming.
Which beach is she at? Wherever she is, it looks like she's enjoying herself.
I don't know. You celebrated sweet 16. You deserve to be at the beach. That's awesome. Sailor Garwood, she is celebrating. They just keep rolling, Jesse. This is great. Now, Sailor, get this. She's got just a matter of months before she graduates from Jasper High School. So, Sailor, an early congratulations on your graduation and a very happy birthday to you as well.
Happy birthday, Sailor. Happy 20th birthday in Jasper to Caitlin Hamilton. Caitlin, happy 20th birthday.
I've become a big fan of those balloons. I think those are so cool.
Do you just buy them for random days, or do you buy them? I'm going to buy you them on a random day, completely unrelated to
do it in July when you think my birthday is. Dustin Blackmore, a happy 25th birthday. Good look picture right there. Dustin, he's celebrating in St. Paul.
Sarah's birthday, turning 36 in Pittsburgh, and this is sent with love from her entire family.
That's a cool picture, Sarah. Miss seeing her. We get this pandemic over, I'll run by the old Parks and Rec, and I'll just come hang out until you kick me out of the office. How about that?
Full Gatsby.
She does marvelous things for our city.
Oh yeah.
Heather Sinclair, she is celebrating her 36th birthday. A happy birthday to Heather in St. Paul.
Happy birthday to Jamie Horton, turning 40 in Carthage. And this is sent, Jamie, with love from your entire family. Happy birthday.
Now, over the weekend, Beth Gus, she celebrated her 67th birthday. And I tell you what, if you're out in Redfield and you're going to rock those glasses, I know you got to be fun to party with. Happy birthday, Beth.
And Walnut, Kansas, turning 82.
Oh, Mr. Tershner.
Robert Tershner. Happy birthday, Mr. Tershner.
Happy birthday, Robert. Madge Swan, she is celebrating her 91st birthday. Now, Madge is in Galena, and then Miss Swan, I want you to know these happy birthday wishes are from Lola, Dennis, Shane, Amy, Spencer, and Allie. That's a family full right there.
Ronnie Mercer, it's your birthday too, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Hey!
In Columbus.
Happy birthday, Ronnie. Nora Painter, she is celebrating a birthday. My goodness. You think she made that?
Yes. Yeah, of course.
Step ladder, step stools.
She threw it up there. She threw the last
Happy
one up
birthday,
there.
Nora.
It's like, yeah, no, that's impressive. Whew. Who else is, no, I mean, that was, geez, that really sets the bar pretty high there. It's Sue Trim's birthday too, Michael.
Yes, it is.
In Thayer, Kansas. Sue, happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your Monday morning. So
now, how about this? Leona Cruz is celebrating her 102nd birthday.
wow.
Miss Leona, a very happy birthday from all of us here at KOM. She's at Prairie Mission Retirement Village, and I tell you what, if you have a chance and you see Miss Leona, we socially distance, but get her a slice of lemon pie.
Is that her thing?
Somebody told me that is her favorite. Happy birthday, Leona.
Happy birthday. And you know whose birthday it is also?
Who that is?
Well, it's Peyton Holloway. Our producer, Peyton. Peyton started on the morning show.
He did?
Worked his way up, and now he runs everything here. He's the big buff. No,
that's why he's got a corporate suit on.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Peyton. Naomi
birthday,
Ruth
buddy.
Keppel, she is celebrating her 100th birthday. A very happy birthday to you, Miss Keppel. Want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. She's in Carterville. Gary Woodard, he is turning 76. Happy birthday to Gary in Columbus. And Pete Crawford, he is celebrating his 83rd. Pete, have a marvelous day in Joplin. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Jesse Irwin with a very important birthday announcement.
Well, you can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club too. Just go to our website and sign up. You can get special deals from local businesses. All you have to do, type in KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Not tomorrow, today.